Leo loved reading old science books more than anything. One rainy afternoon, as he flipped through a dusty geology book, a folded paper slipped out. It was a strange map with drawings of tunnels and a tall volcano at the top. "Wow, this looks like an adventure," Leo whispered. Instead of running off alone, Leo showed the map to his aunt, who was a geology teacher. She smiled. "If we explore, we do it safely and we learn along the way." Soon, Leo, his aunt, and his friends Emma, Noah, and Mia traveled to a quiet mountain with an old, sleeping volcano. With helmets, flashlights, and a guide, they entered a safe underground cave. The tunnel felt dark and cool. Noah held his flashlight tightly. "I'm a little scared," he admitted. "That's okay," said Emma. "We'll go step by step." Noah took a deep breath and walked forward. The cave opened into a sparkling chamber filled with glowing crystals. "It's like stars underground," Emma gasped. They admired the crystals, but didn't touch them. "Explorers protect what they discover," Leo's aunt reminded them. Deeper inside, they found a calm underground lake. Water dripped gently from the ceiling. "How can water be down here?" Mia asked. Leo's aunt explained how rainwater travels through rocks and forms hidden pools over many years. "The earth is like a giant puzzle," Leo said. Near the edge of the lake, Mia spotted something unusual in a rock. It looked like a tiny shell. "It's a fossil," she exclaimed. Mia imagined ancient oceans covering the land millions of years ago. The ground beneath their feet held stories older than any book. When they followed the last marking on the map, they didn't find gold or treasure chests. Instead, they found something better, a deep understanding of the Earth's wonders. As they stepped back into the sunlight, Noah smiled proudly. "I was scared at first, but I'm glad I kept going." Leo looked back at the mountain and said, "The greatest treasure isn't gold. It's discovering how amazing our world is." And from that day on, whenever they looked at rocks, caves, or mountains, they didn't just see stone, they saw adventure waiting beneath the surface.